Today, I would like to greet you with a valuable quote. Success is not an accident, it is a hard work, perseverance, learning, studying, sacrifice, and most of all, love of what you are doing or learning to do. I greet you a precious morning, children. This is the day of us to begin one more new chapter in biology, that is chapter 8, body movements. Let me ask you one question. Can you sit absolutely still for a long time? No, that is not possible. There are so many movements happens in our body. Here you can see that two persons are walking and different kinds of movements are there. Like human beings, animals also move from one place to another. Here you can see the examples of horse and rabbit. Here you can see the picture of human skeleton system. Let us go through the parts. Skull, fixed joint, ball and socket joint, vertebra, pelvis, hinge joint, etc. are the main parts you need to study according to your chapter. What is a joint? A joint is a connection made between bones in the body like elbow, shoulder or neck. What is a bone? A bone is a hard structure which protects the various organs of the body. Bones cannot be bent. We can bend or move our body only at those points where bones meet. Now let us study about different joints which are present in our body. First one is ball and socket joint. The rounded end of one bone fits into the cavity of the other bone. Such a joint allows movements in all directions. The second one is pivotal joint. The joint where our neck joins the head is a pivotal joint. It allows us to bend our head forward and backward and turn the head to right or left. Third one is hinge joint. It allows only back and forth movement. Fourth one is fixed joints. Some joints between bones in our head are different and this cannot move. Such joints are called fixed joints. Only we can move our lower jaw, we cannot move our upper jaw. What is called the skeleton? All the bones in our body form a framework to give a shape to our body. This framework is called the skeleton. Ribs join the chest bone and backbone together to form a box called the rib cage. Backbone gives strength to our body. Pelvic bones encloses the portions of our body below the stomach. Skull made up of many bones joined together cartilage. Cartilages are not hard as bones which is present in the ear and nose and is flexible and soft comparatively with the bones. Just you can touch your nose and ears. Next one, muscles and ligaments are also helping for movements. Observe a cockroach here. Cockroaches walk and climb as well as fly in the air. They have 3 pairs of legs. These help in walking. The body is covered with a hard outer skeleton. This outer skeleton is made of different units joined together and that permits movements. There are 2 pairs of wings attached to the breast. The cockroaches have distinct muscles. Those near the legs move the legs for walking. The breast muscles move the wings when the cockroach flies. Did you observe cockroach at any time at your home? and it is better to observe a cockroach when it comes, and you can note down in your notebook the special features what you observed in the cockroach. Look at the picture. You can see a bird is flying. We know that birds fly in the air and walk on the ground, and some birds like ducks and swans also swim in water. The birds can fly because their bodies are well suited for flying. How does it suit? Their bones are hollow and light. Hollow means empty. The bones of the hind limbs are typical for walking and perching. The bony parts of the forelimbs are modified as wings. The shoulder bones are strong. The breast bones are modified to hold muscles of flight, which are used to move the wings up and down. Now we have learned about the use of bones and muscles for the movements of different animals. In the beginning of the video, I explained about how the fishes are moving and the movements of snakes. And we observed that different animals are using the different modes of movements, and the snake moves forward very fast and not in a straight line, that you know about. Here I can see a girl is doing hard work for her coming examinations. Like that, you also do hard work. And thank you.